right, YouTubes. I got a call here. Look, I got in the fight with the weed whacker. Finally got a haircut. Yow. Let's got a walk-in freezer. I got a call for a walk-in freezer. Let's go. Let's get in here and scope it out. My van's a total mess right now. Look at this. Let's see what we can come up with. All right, there's the condensing unit for the freezer. I'm gonna hook up the smart probe. Sounds terrible. The sight glass is clear. Let's see what we're getting into here. Compressor kind of gave up the ghost a bit. Listen. (2009). Sounded like marbles a little bit ago. So the camera makes the fan looks like it's spinning slow because of my frame rate, but it actually died right here while I was sitting here and quit running. So yeah, I'm going to see about getting a new condensing unit. The new condensing units are scrolls, and that's where we're going to be at on this one. Dead compressor. That heat wave took her out. So it made it 11 years hard work.